Very basic thing is the basic syntax of R. So what is the basic syntax of R that we have right now? Now inside the basic syntax, now see, let's say you want to clear the console. So you just use the command Control L. It will clear the console here. You can increase or decrease the size of the console. Okay. Now, if I am writing, let's say hello world and execute that, it's printing hello world, right? Now here you can see we doesn't require any semicolon to be added because we already know that whatever we are writing, it is just interpreting that. So it doesn't require any type of semicolon here. Now the same thing you can do it here. You can write print and this you want to print, and inside the bracket you write the hello world, and then command enter, it will print the whatever you want to print, right? So the syntax is related to the R is very simple. It is just like, or it is more or less related to the Python programming. But yes, some data structures, some variable are different. Some ways how we can assign the name to the variable are somehow different. So we'll learn one by one. And for comment and all, we use the hash just like you see. So if I'll use this, and I'll just write X is Suraj Sharma. So you see, if I'll execute this, so it is taking the printf as the comment out, means it is not producing anything. This print is not producing anything. Now here, if I want to print out the value of X, only X, so I'll choose X and I'll just control enter. It is giving me the value of X, that is Suraj Sharma, right? So this is how we can do the comment, that is the hash will use if I want to do the comment out to anyone. Okay. Now let's go for different type of operators here.